Are you a manufacturer of automotive components like stampings, injection molded plastics, or the like? Does your company repetitively make the same parts, shipping to the same customers, and do you manage your orders using cumulative shipped? If so, you probably manufacture in bulk quantities, and at the end of the day, you are presented with this problem. You have a bin of fully manufactured parts and you need to pack, label, and ship these parts. But you may need to ship these parts to different destinations, which require different packs and different labels. You might need to pack into totes on a pallet, boxes on a pallet container, or a pallet box. So, how do you know what to pack and how to pack it? AIM has an outstanding solution that allows you to use customer-compliant AIAG labels at pack. You simply preprint these labels for each destination based upon your AIM-generated packaging schedule. The serial and master labels are printed as a set. Then you pack the parts and label the containers. When the high-low comes to put the container into your very organized warehouse, you simply scan the warehouse location and the single master label. This one scan tells AIM that the parts are packed, labeled, ready to ship, and where they are located. Now, if that's not great enough, AIM also provides this information to you when pulling and staging an order to ship. After AIM has created today's pack list as a ship order, you can use a tablet with AIM to see what you need to stage. To find this material in our very organized warehouse, all tablet users need to do is long press the line item. AIM will show the high-low driver a listing of all inventory labeled and packed for that order and its location in the warehouse. And this list is sorted in FIFO order, so that you ship your oldest product first. Your high-low movements are coordinated by tablet instruction and not clipboard paperwork. Once the high-low retrieves the product from the warehouse and puts it in the staging line, one scan of the master label will add all the totes to the shipper with perfect lot traceability. This same scan will also remove this inventory from the FG warehouse location in AIM. There is no relabeling required in this solution. The original label applied at pack remains on the container, satisfying OEM requirements. And of course remember that if you need to send partial pallets, mixed pallets, or any other automotive shipping configuration, you can use AIM Mobility Shipping to accommodate your needs on your docks.